Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 CNC engraving machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, CNC 3018 Pro Max. Specifications. Brand name, Yofeli. Power supply, output DC 48V10.4A. Spindle, 500W spindle DC 48V, max. 11,000 revolutions per minute. Step motor, 42-step motor 1.68 to 0.55 N. M dimensions, 420 by 355 by 280 ohm. Engraving area, 300 by 180 by 40 ohm. Milling cutter, 3.175 millimeters. Software, Garble. Function, CNC wood router. The item number 2 is Fox Alien WoodMads. Specifications. Brand name, Fox Alien. Origin, mainland China. Model number, WoodMads 3020. CNC or not, CNC. Is smart device, no. Condition, new. Certification, none. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Vivor CNC 3018 Pro. Specifications. Brand, Vivor. Model number, VGS 3018 Pro. CNC or not, CNC. Materials, aluminum profile and bakelite. Input power, DC 24 volt 5A. Driving units, T8 stainless steel screws. Spindle speed, 10,000 revolutions per minute. Stepping motor, size 42, 12 volts, torque, 0.25 Nm. Control software, Garble control. Cutter diameter, 0.125 inch, 3.175 millimeters. Positioning accuracy, 0.003-0.004 inch, 0.08 to 0.1 millimeters. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.